Hey everybody, this video will discuss graphing a function of the form f of x equals x minus h squared plus k. So here again we have the parent function of y equals x squared, but now we have a vertex. Our vertex is always at hk. Now make sure you understand this is x minus h, okay? So if there happens to be a plus in the middle there, then you have to account for that in our equation here. But f of x equals x minus 2 squared minus 4. So we want to graph the vertex. The vertex is at h2. So we have x minus h, so h is just 2. And then k is negative 4. Now why is it negative 4? Well, think about this in terms of translations or transformations. Okay, the negative 4 is going to move our graph down 4. It's going to move that point that's usually at 1, 1 down, usually at 0, 0, down to 0, negative 4. And then it's this 2, the minus 2, is going to move it over to the right 2. So our vertex is going to be here at the point 2, negative 4. So we have 1 point, 2, negative 4. The easiest thing to check is a point to the 2 points to the right and 2 points to the left. So let's plot f of 3. So our x value is 3. This is, I'm going to write it somewhere else actually. F of 3 equals 3 minus 2 squared minus 4. So that's going to be 3 minus 2 is 1 squared minus 4. 1 minus 4 equals negative 3. So at negative 4 we're going to be at negative 3. Sorry, at 3 we're going to be at negative 3. And at 1 you can check the point. We're also going to be at negative 3 because of symmetry. Okay, and then at 4, let's check 4. F of 4 equals 4 minus 2 squared minus 4. So that becomes 2 squared minus 4, which is 0. So at 4, we're at 0. Which means also at 0 we're going to be at 0. You can check it by plugging it in, and then we will continue on with our graph like that. That's graphing a function of the form f of x equals x minus h.